probably cut this short.
No.
Cause like I said, first of all, you don't think I'm gonna do my video.
It's gonna be extra long. It's gonna be 3 hours.
Oh no.
3 hours, yeah.
No, not like 3 hours.
Sit down, you know what I'm saying? Sit down.
Not 3 hours.
My money, yeah, I'm on that cash shit. You know how these bitches love me? Why? Cause baby don't give a fuck. What you do? I be fixing the weed while she sucking my dick.
Hey y'all, it's Celeste and welcome to my channel. This is gonna be my first video. So basically I'm going to be recording my weekend because I recently had my 24th birthday and I didn't get to celebrate the weekend before. So I'm gonna be celebrating now. The weekend is gonna be very interesting. I don't really know what is planned. I know I'm going hiking on Saturday, but that's about it. So yeah, I'm just gonna take y'all along with me as I go through this and see what's in store for myself, because I'm gonna be just as shocked as y'all are. So yeah. So I'm about to go to King Crab. I think I'm gonna do like mukbang today. Mukbang, whatever it's called. I'm gonna do that today. I had King Crab on Friday, like I think it was like 27th, possibly. Yeah, 27th September, and I wanted it again today because King Crab is really it's just that good. So I'm going back again today, and I'll see y'all when we get there, and then the next time I see y'all will probably be when we get back to the house and we're sitting down doing the mukbang. See you guys later. All right, so y'all, we're at King Crab and I'm about to go get my food. Okay, so we're back from King Crab. I got it was a pound of crab legs, which is 2 clusters, and I got a half pound of shrimp and a half pound of sausages. And they also come with 2 cubes of corn and maybe 2 potatoes. I don't really eat potatoes in my seafood. But yeah. And then Derek got fried shrimp with regular fries, and then you got some corn. They got some there. I think I get it right. They have a juicy special, and it is so bomb. And so Derek liked their corn in there, and I like my seafood in there. So yeah, I'm about to get eaten. Derek will come in sooner or later, probably later than sooner, and he'll start eating. But I'm hungry, and I'm gonna eat without him. This is my drink, and I got some orange soda. I love orange soda. So I guess I'll talk a little bit about me, since this is a new channel and you don't really know me. I am 24. I just turned 24 on Sunday. Not Sunday, Monday. My birthday was September 30th. I graduated from the University of North Carolina at Greensboro with a bachelor's in science. I was a kinesiology major. I was looking into becoming a physical therapist, but I've kind of had a change of heart recently, and I think I want to be a massage therapist. So we'll see how it goes. I got some things I have to take care of. I have no children. I know I'm old enough to have children, but I don't have any children. I have a younger brother who looks like my older brother. If you were to see him, it's only me and him. Like, we don't have any other siblings. I really don't have much to talk about. I'm from a very small town, like extremely small. It's Mount Gilead, North Carolina. Not much really going on, but you know, I love the 910. I'm not even gonna lie, I don't really know what to talk about, because like I said, I don't really have much going on right now. I'm still trying to figure things out. Post-grad. Yeah, sorry.
You did it?
Yeah.
You gotta clean all four. Man,
Yeah, no.
setting it up like that.
You want me to scoot over?
So do you?
Scoot up a little bit.
You want me to scoot over? Yeah, because we all slide. You gotta slide some more.
I can't. There's nowhere else for me to go.
Cool.
You can move the camera over.
Or the table. I ain't
Yeah.
gonna I'm hungry.
This is Derek. I've known him for about 5 years. 5 years. That's all I gotta say about him. I've known him for 5 years.
But that's all you gotta say? Mm.
What else you want me to say?
I don't know. That's completely up to you.
That's all I have to say. I'm not gonna say anything else.
What's understood gotta be explained.
Yeah, that's not.
That's what you're
I hate
about.
that saying.
But that's what you're referring to.
No, that is stupid.
I didn't get mine.
I don't know. You didn't say anything about it.
I did.
You so worried about Miss Gladys.
Miss Gladys, hey. That woman sent me her name.
I'm not gonna like sit here and talk to y'all for long because I still got like a whole tomorrow's gonna be busy, so I probably cut this short.
No.
Cause like I said, first of all, you don't tell me what to do in my
It's
video.
gonna be extra long. It's gonna be 3 hours.
Oh no.
3 hours, y'all.
No, not
Come rock
3
with us.
hours.
Sit down, you know what I'm saying? Sit down.
Not
sit
3
back.
hours. Hi guys. It is what's today? Saturday.
Tuesday.
It's definitely Saturday. So I know I said that Derek and I will be going hiking, but it's been a change of plans, and we're going to the gun range. So that should, I guess, be fun. Not too sure. I've never been to a gun range. I would like to own a gun one day.
Gonna get one.
Oh.
So does that get one?
I want mine before you. My dad said I'm mentally unstable, so I can't have a gun. But I beg to differ. So, you know, we'll just see how this goes. I guess today did you almost fall?
No, you're going to the wrong car.
What are you talking about?
You're going to the wrong car.
I don't have my key.
Why?
You have it. You took it. So it's driving your car. Everything works out in my favor. Excuse the scarf. I gelled my hair down. And I needed to put this scarf on. What the heck did you come over here for? So yeah, I'll see y'all when we get to the gun range. We're here at Shooters Express. We're about to go shoot these guns, and y'all, I'm so freaking nervous. I don't know why, but I'm like hella nervous. So let's just see how it goes. Alright guys, so it's now Sunday, and last minute Derek decides he wants to go to church. So that's where we're headed. So excuse my attire because it's not church like, well, not how I was raised. But church is come as you are, but like I said, like how I was raised, you know, girls wear dresses, and well, they dressed up. But this is all I have for today, so this is going to have to work So I probably, oh, I didn't check back in after the gun range last night. Well, yesterday. But it was a lot of fun. That was my first time shooting a gun. And I sent like my results to my dad. Where's my wallet?
It's in the back. You put it in the back seat for some odd reason.
Oh crap, it's on the other side. So I sent my results, well, my score to my daddy. I didn't hit the bullseye, but my aunts were like, I had a pretty direct path. Oh my God. I had a pretty direct path. It was like straight down the middle. So I was excited. My dad was still proud. If you know me, my dad's opinion, I don't know, I value it a lot. I'm like a daddy's girl. So yeah, I had to call him immediately after we got done with the gun range to let him know that I went and shot a gun yesterday. And he had asked me like, what kind of gun? I didn't know. But I asked the lady, oh my God, my bun, oh crap. I asked the lady at the gun place and she told me, so I told him. It was like a starter gun. So yeah. Sorry, I'm so out of breath. Literally walking and talking is my downfall. But and after the gun range, we didn't do anything. We came back to the house and we went to the mall. I need to go look at some stuff. And then we came back to the house and we didn't do nothing. We sat around and watched Netflix and I had to heat up my seafood, y'all. If you've not been to King Crab, please go to King Crab because it's really so bomb. So bomb. So yeah, heated up my King Crab and I just sat around and watched YouTube videos all day. Well, for the rest of the day. And then we went to bed. So yeah, I will check back in with y'all later today and hopefully this video will be up later tonight, if not tomorrow morning, one of the two. All right, y'all, so we're back home. What all did we do? We went to church and then Derek actually installs cameras, so he had to go check out a house about some cameras, and I think that's pretty much it. And then I had to stop at TJ Maxx for pick up some stuff. But I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm probably just about to go and take a nap and call it a day. And that'll be my weekend, you know. So I just want everybody to like, comment, and subscribe and share this video so I can get my subscribers up. And I will see y'all in the next video.
Give it up. I be cool on them, bitch, ain't no pressure. Till I met this little freak, her name Maggie. This little thing here style. Look how she walk, look how she talk, she sexy. I like when